I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. As certified Xero partners, we specialise in making accounting software work for you.
In this video, we teach you how to create and send a purchase order from Xero. First, click Purchases. Then, select Purchase Orders. Click New Purchase Order. The Purchase Order screen is similar to the bill screen and uses many of the same details. First, enter the supplier name in the Contact field. Choose New Contact, or select an existing customer from the list. Xero sets the date as the current date. Type in the field, or use the calendar picker to choose a different date if needed. In this example, we'll keep the current date. Then enter the delivery date. This should be the date you expect the supplier to deliver goods to you. We'll enter +7 and tab on our keyboard to use a shortcut. Xero calculates the correct date based on the keyboard shortcut used. Xero automatically populates the order number with the next number in the sequence. Update the number if you want a specific order number for your supplier. Then, enter an optional reference. For example, your customer number from the supplier. Select the branding theme of your purchase order. The standard theme is perfect for this example. If you use multi-currency, check the currency is correct and choose if the amounts are tax inclusive or exclusive. Enter the details in the description, quantity, and unit price fields as you would with a bill. Make sure you set the account and tax rate, which Xero will use to categorize the transaction if you create a bill from it later. If you use products and services, you can choose an item, and Xero will populate the fields for you, which you can then update. Add a discount percentage to your order. For example, if you've bought items in bulk, you might receive a 10% discount. If you use tracking categories, you can select tracking options for each line as needed. Continue to add details of the order. Add a new line if you need extra lines. Xero takes the delivery address from the postal address in your organization details. Click the Delivery Address drop-down to Add New Address, Add One-Off Address, or search from contacts to override the default delivery address. This is useful if you have a warehouse or location to receive goods that isn't your main postal address, or if you want to send goods directly to a customer. Enter a name in the Attention field so the order is directed to a specific person. Update the Telephone field if you want inquiries about the order to use a specific phone number. And finally, add delivery instructions for the courier, such as where to leave the goods. Review the details, and when you're ready, click Approve. To share the purchase order with your supplier, in the Approve Purchase Order, click Send. Customize the email message as needed, and click Send. Now your purchase order has been sent to your supplier and is ready to be billed when you receive the goods.